Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make the perfect hard-boiled eggs. This is a hard-boiled egg tutorial, so let's get started. So you're going to need some eggs. I have cage-free. I've been using cage-free for years. My dad put us onto the cage-free eggs, and that's what we all use pretty much, basically. So you want to add your eggs to a pot just like this. I use my eggs straight out the fridge, but you could bring them up to room temperature if that's what you prefer. To the eggs, you're going to cover it up with some cold water, and you're going to pop it right on the stove just like this. Alright, so once you see these little bubbles right here, you're going to see as I reach over to turn the stove off, you don't want this to have a rolling boil, but you do want to see bubbles. And once you get your bubbles, you want to turn your stove off, and then you also want to cover your pot and remove it completely from the stove. Alright, so this is how I peel my eggs. I always run my eggs on the cool water as I'm peeling them. That's just the way it worked for me since culinary school. You can ask any of my classmates. I don't peel eggs without water because it's harder without water to me, anyway, to me. So this is how I peel it, and I'm just going to do it again for anyone that wants to see it twice. So yeah, and also remember guys, don't beat yourself down if you don't get this the first or second try. I surely didn't. So, you know, just keep trying until it comes out just as perfect as mine. I did have a couple bumps and scratches on a couple of my eggs, but as you'll see right here, maybe because I was going too fast, but it doesn't matter. They're perfectly boiled. And now I'm about to cut one open, y'all. Look at this egg, y'all. Ooh, baby. It never fails. It never fails. Perfectly boiled. No black ring. Perfectly boiled. And you can do anything with these eggs moving forward. So I'm going to put together some deviled eggs real quick. Just the easy, simple, basic, regular deviled eggs because I didn't want to waste the eggs. And yep, and I'll let you guys see what my husband thought about it, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye. There they go, y'all. So, baby, about to try them.
Get in on this and get in on this.
It shouldn't be hot. I use spicy, girl.
In
there. But mainly because I have no black pepper left, child.
You don't need no black pepper with spicy, girl. All the heat you need, which is not even heat. It's just flavor. Good right, huh?
You like it? Mm-hmm. Oh, Lord. It's his favorite, y'all. He like deviled eggs and potato salad.
I sure do.
He just got out of work. He didn't even take her coat off yet. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching. Catch you on my next video.